Hello, and this lesson is on the right hand of Travis picking. There's another video posted on our Schoology page, which just kind of wordlessly shows the right hand playing through a little bit of Dust in the Wind, and then it slows down and it kind of walks through. But I just want to explain what's going on in each component. So I'm going to be doing this with a G chord, which means I have my third finger of my left hand, which you can't see in this video, on the third fret. And since I'm not playing the first string and I'm not playing the fifth string, all I have down is my third finger on the third fret of the sixth string. And that's all I need to demonstrate Travis picking with the G chord. So the most important part of Travis picking is the thumb. The thumb is what makes Travis picking Travis picking. It never stops moving. And usually it is moving by alternating strings. So with a G chord, and this is a great chord to practice Travis picking, my alternating is going to go from the sixth string to the fourth string. And those are quarter notes. So if I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So again, that's part one. So that's the first step. And you want to get used to that. So you just do that over and over again. You can sit with a guitar, stare out the window, and just get your thumb alternating. All right, so that's step one. Now, step two is bringing in these other fingers over here. Now, with Travis picking, we're only going to focus on the index finger and the middle finger. Some people get more fancy and start adding other fingers, but in order to get a distinctive Travis picking sound, you really only need the first two fingers and your thumb. So the first thing that happens, so step two is going to involve the middle finger, and we're going to pinch. So with Travis picking, how it generally starts is with a pinch between our thumb and our middle finger, which is on the second string. So we get this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And in a measure with 4 beats, that happens on the first beat of every measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now keep in mind, the thumb would keep going. So it would sound like this if the thumb kept going. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See how that works? So that's step one, thumb. Step two, pinching with the thumb on the first beat. Now here's where it comes to life. That sounds pretty boring, just going. Here's the part that gives the Travis picking all its motion, is after the second beat. So there's something happening on every beat. We've got the thumb. After the second beat, that's when our index finger comes into play, and it's on the third string. So after the second beat, it then activates. So, and when I say after the second beat, I mean 1 and 2 and. So on the and of 2. So I'm going to take out my middle finger for a second. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 See how that's working? So let me just put these first three parts together. We get the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. The middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Now here comes the first finger. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 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 Now I'm doing it slowly, and maybe I'm making it look kind of easy, but that takes a long time. You have to sit with that for a while to get coordinated to do that. It seems like it would be simple, but it is not. And just don't get frustrated, because it it does take a lot of repetition to get that down. So after that, what you're doing, if you want to continue the Travis pattern, some people are happy just with that. And that's a wonderful pattern, just those 3 notes, pinch and first finger. If you want to continue the pattern, after the 3rd beat now, you would go back to the 2nd finger, the middle finger, but after the beat. So in that case, it would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. See what happens? So now as I put that together, I get these 3 things. Together. So that's a pretty remarkable sound. Again, just using these 3 fingers and alternating between them. So it starts with a pinch, 2 and 3 and 4. Together, 2 and 3 and 4. Pinch, 2 and 3 and 4. Pinch, 2 and 3 and 4. And most people are satisfied with that. You can go all the way and go to the 4th beat. Now the 4th beat would come back to the 1st finger. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1. Now that's a very full pattern. Now I've got something happening on every beat. Together, thumb first, thumb second, thumb first, together, thumb first, thumb. So here's what that pattern sounds like with everything. Step 1 is the thumb. Step 2 is adding the pinch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Here's the first finger. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and 3, 4. 1, 2, and. Now adding second finger. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And now the whole pattern. So what makes this pattern so full sounding is because things happen on the beat and things happen off the beat. And when you put all that together, it sounds like an orchestra. You know, when you get this going really fast, it's this big sound. So have fun with Travis picking. Don't get frustrated. Take your time, take it slow, and you'll be doing just fine.